$50 mystery box from Le Creuset. They usually should have at least $350 worth of stuff in here. So, first off, oh, 2 spatulas. Oh, there's a lid. No. This one's red. Yeah. A red lid. There's something in here. Ooh. Teapot. Solo teapot. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. This one? I think this lid goes with it. Gorge. Oh my god. A big red lid. For this skillet. So the lid goes with this. And the cast iron. This is what you wanted, right? And the cast iron. So where's the spatula? So, cast iron, this casserole thing with lid, teapot, these 2, this one with the lid, and 2 spatulas.